So let me tell you what happens in a session that we do. Ria is a young, intelligent 28-year-old struggling with self-doubt, loneliness, and she says she finds it difficult to get along with male colleagues. She's also unlucky in love and attracts men she's unable to trust and who betray her. As we begin to work on her issues, we travel back in memory to the age of 5. She remembers a time when her brothers are going to a local fair. She of course thinks that she's included, but her mother says she cannot go since it's unsafe for girls. She remembers crying, throwing a tantrum, but to no avail. Several such incidents come to her memory, and she remembers many unkept promises by her parents to pacify her. But she was usually left with a feeling of being let down and disappointed. But to her, the message is clear. Boys and girls are unequal. Even 23 years later, Ria reacts the same way she did as a child, with equality issues, unable to trust those around her. And so she is left with very few healthy relationships. Now, here's something you may not have heard before. Our cells remember everything that happens to us, especially how we felt about it. To the brain, there is no difference between past and present. However we reacted in the past, we react in the present. It all happens automatically. And within a few seconds, the emotions are layered in memory. Now, when you see someone reacting childishly, you can better understand why they do so. During a session, forgotten memories will roll up and possess us again with the same intensity, and the adult becomes the child. We don't have to force memory from the past. Under stress, every one of us does an instant age recession. In seconds, you can see body posture transform, facial expressions will change, voice and attitude changes as well. Our cells have individual stories that we all live with. Now, the positive is that cellular memory can change whenever we make the choice to do so. Just as we retrain muscles, we can retrain memory neurons. By teaching the cells to have another job description. Our future is not predetermined. We can define our past by teaching the brain new ways to function. Now, wouldn't that be a wish fulfilled?